From quiet escapes off the grid, feeling like everyday life at home, wherever you are, your power adapts with you. With Renogy Bifacial solar panels capturing light from every angle, it keeps going, so you can keep living and savor the moments that matter. There's a different kind of freedom that comes with the open road. Renogy Bifacial solar panel, designed for tight spaces and flexible setups, delivering more power wherever you go. With high-efficiency N-type cells, more sunlight becomes usable power. Bifacial technology captures light from both sides, using reflected energy from sand, water, and bright surfaces. So you can start earlier and keep going longer. On the water, nothing stands still. The light, the waves, the moment. But your power stays consistent. So whether you're chasing the horizon or taking it slow, your power is there when you need it. Built to last wherever you go. From quiet mornings to long days on the move. Made to perform in any condition while delivering more power. Because every inch counts. Make it count more. Renogy Bifacial solar panels. More output, same footprint.